He was a little nervous last night.
Yeah? What did he say?
Just a lot of questions. What if I get lost? What if nobody talks to me? What if I can't find my classroom? I told him it's okay to feel that way.
We'll walk him in together.
Do you think he's ready?
I think he is trying. That's enough.
Yeah. It is.
Got everything ready? Bag, lunch, shoes?
Yes, everything is ready.
Good. Then we're ready too.
All right. Time to wake him up. Tom, wake up. It's morning.
Mom, is it school today?
Yes, it is your first day.
I feel excited and a little scared.
That is normal.
Really?
Yes, new things can feel scary.
Good morning, Tom. Big day today.
Yes, I hope it is good.
It will be great.
Come on, brush your teeth.
Okay, Mom.
Not too much toothpaste.
Oops, too late.
That's okay. Try again.
I am brushing now.
Go.
Done!
Here is your uniform.
Wow, it looks nice.
Wear it quickly.
Mom, help me with this button.
Of course.
Thank you.
You look very smart.
Really?
Yes, very smart.
Breakfast is ready.
I am hungry.
Sit down carefully.
Thank you, Mom.
Drink your milk.
It is warm.
Blow on it.
Now,
Okay. Now it's fine.
Mom, will you come with me?
Yes, we will take you to school.
And you will come back?
Yes, after school.
Okay. I feel better now.
Take your bag.
I have it.
Lunchbox?
Yes. Water bottle? Yes, Mom.
Good. Let's go.
There are many children.
Yes, they are going to school.
My heart is fast
That means you are excited.
and nervous.
That's okay.
Is the school big?
Yes, you will see.
I hope I make friends.
You will.
Wow, the school is big.
Yes, it is.
I see many kids.
They can be your friends.
I feel shy.
That is okay. We are here. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. It is his first day. Welcome. What is your name?
My name is Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
Mom, don't go fast.
I will come back soon.
Promise?
Yes, promise.
Okay. Bye, Mom. Bye, Champ.
Come in, Tom. Class, this is Tom.
Hello, Tom. Hello. Hi, I am Bella. I am Tom. Is it your first day? Yes. Me too. Really? Yes, sit with me. Okay.
Thank you.
Take out your pencils. Oh, my pencil. What happened? It is not in my bag. I think I forgot it. You can use mine. Really? Yes, here.
Thank you, Bella.
Good sharing.
Thank teacher.
Let's draw a picture.
What will you draw? My house. Nice.
What about you?
A flower.
I like this.
Me too.
It is break time.
Let's play. Okay. This is fun. Yes, I am not scared now. See, school is nice. Yes.
All right, class, it's time for lunch. Yay, let's go, Bella. Okay, I have rice. Cool, I have a sandwich.
Let's share. Here, try my sandwich. Yummy. Now try my rice.
That's really good.
Is it tasty? Yes. I like school. Me too.
I have a friend now.
Yes, me.
Okay, everyone, school is over. Great work today.
Yay, thank you.
All right, class, it's time to line up at the door.
Okay.
Goodbye, have a wonderful day. Goodbye, thank you. Bye, Tom. See you tomorrow.
Bye, teacher. Bye, Tom. Bye, Bella. See you tomorrow.
Have a good day.
Bye, Tom. Bye, Bella. Mom!
How was your day?
It was fun.
Really?
Yes, I was scared, but now I am happy.
That's great.
I have a friend.
Wonderful.
Her name is Bella.
Are you ready for tomorrow?
Yes, I want to go again.
That's my boy.
I love school.